In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach voice clone to Kling AI Sync. We're going to take a video clip, pair it with text-to-speech, and have Kling AI lip sync the visuals to your chosen voice. If you already have a voice clone available in your account, you'll be able to select it during the process. Make sure you have the rights to use the video and the voice, and keep your script ready to paste so everything goes smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select All Tools. This brings up the full tool set so you can quickly find what you need without digging through multiple pages. Next, choose Lip Sync. This is the feature that aligns spoken audio with the mouth movements in your video. It's designed to handle a range of face angles and lighting, but the clearer the face and the steadier the shot, the better the final result will look. On the lip sync page, click Upload Video. Choose the video file you want to sync and click Open. Common formats like MP4 generally work well. For best results, pick footage with a well-lit subject and minimal background noise, even though we'll be generating the voice. Shorter clips typically process faster, so consider trimming long footage beforehand if needed. Now, move to the text-to-speech section and type or paste the exact words you want the voice to say. Use punctuation to control pacing and write numbers and abbreviations the way you want them spoken. If you care about specific pronunciations, try phonetic spellings in parentheses to guide the system. Then, select Voices. Here you can browse available options, and if you have a cloned voice connected to your account, choose that voice from the list. Match the tone to your script, conversational for casual content, more neutral for tutorials. If multiple variations exist for your clone, pick the one that best fits the mood you're after. When your text and voice are set, click Add Speech. Use Preview to check timing, clarity, and lip alignment. Listen for mispronunciations or awkward pauses, and if something feels off, tweak your text and preview again. Minor edits like adding commas or rephrasing tricky words can make a big difference. Finally, click Generate. Kling AI will process the video, sync the lips to your chosen voice, and prepare a playable result. Processing times vary based on length and demand, so hang tight. Once it's ready, review the output and you're done. Your video is synced with your voice clone.